It's day 2 in Hong Kong, and we are headed to go get some coffee in the, what area is this?
Today we're going to be exploring the Mong Kok area of Hong Kong, which is actually where we're staying.
Thank you. The bottom's like cold and then the hot's top. Or the bottom's cold and the top is hot. Hot's hot.
Hot's top.
Should I swirl it around? I think I need to.
Yeah.
I think that's like mostly espresso, I think.
Get your caffeine fix.
It's pretty good.
Alright, onwards.
Let's go.
Look up places to eat in Hong Kong. This will be one of the places that will always come up. We're going to Australia Dairy Company, and
What do they have?
I guess you'll find out. Dairy.
Dairy with milk?
Yeah, we're just having milk.
Wow.
So here, milk pudding. Do you want cold or hot?
Well, probably cold. It's a little busy, huh?
I think it's actually less busy than normal. Like, I think normally you have to wait one, but cold. Yes. Thank you.
Get it?
Yeah.
We got the double French toast, pudding, and the milk tea. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, go for it.
Is this the syrup?
I think.
Maybe I would put it on the whole thing.
Yeah, maybe you want to try it first.
Real good. Maybe we should also get eggs. Made out of
Milk.
got the deal.
That was an experience.
Yeah.
I feel like it's just like a whirlwind. You're like done eating before you even know what's happening.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. They're pretty efficient.
Yeah, it's like get your food, eat, and get out. We found a little market here.
looks like a lot of ladies' undergarments.
It says, welcome to Hong Kong Comic Avenue. Do you want to look up here?
Yeah, sure. That looks like me. This is more like me. That's you.
Wow, I feel so flattered. Thank you. This one is you. This one is me when I wake up in the morning. We are walking over to the water right now, and the views here are just insane. The skyline with all of the buildings.
Night tour! Double night tour!
What you looking for?
Some marine life. Specifically jellyfish.
Marine life.
Yeah, jellyfish.
Are there
fish.
jellyfish here?
I don't know.
Inception. What is that is?
I have no idea. I've been practicing my Chinese on Duolingo, but I don't have any idea what that says. You good? What did we get?
I'm like struggling to get it out. Bing Shui?
Bing Shui. Bing Shui. Bing Shui.
I can't.
Bing Shui.
Bing Shui.
Bing,
Like B-I-N-G?
like the search engine, and then Shui,
Bing Shui.
like feng shui.
Bing Shui.
At least I think that's how it's Bing Shui.
Probably totally butchering that.
That's my Duolingo Chinese, Bing Shui.
Please stand back from the train doors.
What'd you get?
The Taiwanese winter melon drink.
That
Because
sounds-
they didn't have the boba. Thick brown sugar milk tea with pearls. It must be popular.
Oh, they don't have the
They
brown
don't
sugar?
have brown
Okay.
sugar milk tea with pearls.
It's good.
Does it taste like winter melon?
Yeah, it's interesting.
Wait, it tastes like boba without the boba.
Yeah, it's like kind of weird.
Wait, that's so weird. Is there boba in it?
I don't think so.
That is so weird.
Yeah.
Is this the right thing?
I think so, yeah. He gave it to me.
It tastes like I should get a boba anytime, but I don't.
Yeah.
It's good.
Taipei number 1, that's what it says.
That's cool. Well, that's it for the video today. We had a great day. See you next time.
Bye.